Magdaraos sa harap ng Embassy of China ng isang rally ngayong araw ang ilang grupo ng mga Pinoy artists para ipadama ang kanilang sentimiento sa isyu ng pananakop ng bansang China sa West Philippine Sea. At ang rally idadaan sa awitan. Muli mo kaming balitaan, Jackie Sai.
Nagkaisa ang mahigit 50 Pinoy artist upang tawagin ang pansin ng iba pang mga Pilipino sa iba't ibang bansa na ipaglaban ang karapatan ng bawat isa sa issue kaugnay ang West Philippine Sea. Naniniwala ang Filipinos Unite, isang non-government organization na binubuo ng iba't ibang artists na sa pamamagitan ng pag-awit ay maipapahayag nila ang kanilang saloobin sa nangyayaring sigalot sa West Philippine Seas.
The reason why I'm here and a bunch of other artists are part of this project is because we don't believe that the Philippines is going to be a third world country for the rest of this generation and for generations to come. We believe that in that Bible saying that some of the first will be last and some of the last will be first. And that's what we're claiming. And what we need to do is stand up for what is rightfully ours, not in the form of war, but in the form of peace, love, and unity, and asking our fellow Filipinos to stand up and rise up and to basically lead the way for our true destiny.
Nais naman ipakita ng grupong ito ang positibong paraan ng pag-aaklas laban sa maling gawain ng bansang China sa mga Pilipino at sa teritoryo ng ating bansa.
One thing that you learn is that no matter how complex a situation could seem, how deep and how unavoidable, we're all still people. You cannot stop negativity by just adding more negativity. It is the most obvious thing that we have to start with a positive route. And so when we decided to do this movement, we knew that we had to create awareness, but we knew that we had to make it fun. And the strange thing about it is, we know that it's a serious issue, but the Filipino culture is very fun. You know, we're fun people. So it's about time somebody put some positive energy into this matter. Music is a form of praise, and it is a universal language. What makes most sense to start off with a universal language for a universal message.
Inaasahan naman ang pag-rally na magaganap ngayong araw ng Filipinos Unite kasama ang ibang coalition group sa harap ng Chinese Embassy ay magtatagumpay.
We're here to fight, but we're doing it right. We're using our voices to spread the light. F.U. Filipinos Unite.
Para sa Telebisyon ng Bayan, Jackie Sai.